started in cold, you know, from 1850 on. It's the story of John Corey and the pioneering ones, who to and fro across the globe, the distant ports far flung, and of foreign souls who work the passage with them. It's the tale of Rainbow City and of how it came to be, of the Lascar, the West Indian, the Arab and Chinese, and how they settled in the bay till there in harmony lived every colour, creed, class and religion. And that's how it all began. That's how it all began. A dozen different mother tongues in perfect harmony rang. Then with the war, the British born were off to fight the foe, while the Arab and the Afro-Caribbean tile at home. They did a job in the year and above or two, and no one moaned, at least not till the day the conflict ended. The street was decimated and depleted by the war. Returning from the seas, no vacancies our heroes saw, and they fought for king and country to be unemployed and poor, whilst others went round flaunting jobs and money. And that's how it all began. That's how it all began. A note of discord striking through the harmonies they sang. All post-war social ills diagnosed by Dr. White as being caused by Mr. Blight on a hot June night. In 1919 on Custom House Street there flared the mighty riot. From Duke Street down to Medicine Street was burning. And that's how it all began. That's how it all began. As battle cries like anthems through the Cardiff evening rang. Now 60 years have passed and gone, through generations on. In Cardiff's palette intermingled colours shine as one, and it could well be as things proceed the way that they've begun. The Rainbow Bridge will finally be completed, and if it's ever going to be depends on whether we can find the song, take the time to learn the harmony.